Have you ever wondered if you can create AI image or videos for free using DALL and OpenAI tools without paying anything? Today I will show you the real truth on one powerful website that combines multiple AI tools in one place. Hello everyone, welcome back to Priyo Promo, your trusted destination for AI tools, tech tutorials and smart digital hacks. I am Priyo and in today's video I am going to show you how to sign up for DALL using OpenArt AI, what free credits you get, and exactly what you can and cannot do for free, including image generation and video creation. So make sure you watch till the end because this will save you lot of time and money. Step 1. DALL.e using Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and search for DALL.e OpenArt AI. Click on the website that shows OpenArt AI features home. Step 2. Sign up with Google, fast and easy. Now tap on the sign up icon, choose continue with Google, select your Gmail account and press continue. That's it, your DALL.e OpenArt AI account is created instantly, no forms, no verification hassle. Step 3. Dashboard overview. Boom! Now you are inside the dashboard. Here you will see generation, album, you can create your own album, editing history, bulk creation. The interface is clean and beginner friendly. Step 4. Free credits explained. Very important. When I sign up, I receive 40 free credits. These credits allow you to test prompts, explore feature, understand limitation. You will also see resolution options like 1K, 2K, 4K plus many advanced settings on the left panel. Step 5. Home section. What can you do? Click on Home. Here OpenArt clearly shows what types of work you can do, such as image generation, video generation, history creation, audio tools. This section helps beginners understand the platform easily. Step 6. Multiple AI models in one platform. This is one of the biggest advantages. You will see OpenArt integrated with Nano Banana, Pro Model, Sora 2, Bio 3, King 21, meaning one website, multiple AI engines. No need to jump between different platforms. Step 7. Assets section explain. Now click on assets. Here you will find images, videos, stories, audio, album. Everything you create stays organized here. Step 8. Story feature. Click on story. You will see create story, my story, full power tools. Now click on video. Here you will find advanced options like image to video, text to video, element to video, video to video, add sound effect, lip scenes, motion scenes, video upscale, replace character, restyle video, extend video, full video editor. This is where OpenArt becomes next level. Before we move to image to video, if you are enjoying this kind of honest AI and tech breakdown, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Priyo Promo and turn on bell icon because I post real tutorials, not fake promises. Now let's continue. Step 10. Image to video credit reality check. I click on image to video and uploaded an image to show you how it works. You can set resolution, choose duration, add audio, select short or cinematic style. But here's the truth. Creating a video requires 175 credits. I only have 40 free credits, so I cannot generate the video without purchasing credits. This is important to know, no fake claims here. Text to video prompt test. Now I click on text to video. I used a prompt. You can even copy prompts from image generation. But again, this requires 125 credits. When I click create, the system clearly showed the free credits are not enough. So yes, prompt-based video creation is paid, must be. Step 12, more options and final overview. Clicking on more, you will find even more advanced tools that you can use if needed. Finally, I went back to home and today I show you how to sign up for OpenArt DALL.e, what free credits you get, which features are free, which features require payment, how image to video and text to video really work. No confusion, no clickbait. So this way a complete beginner to advanced overview of DALL.e with OpenArt AI. If you want honest AI tutorials, real platform reviews and step-by-step guidance, then Promo is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and comment below if you want a full paid workflow tutorial next. I will see you in the next one.